I guess that's where it's coming from. That's more than a small, that's big. That's almost wrapped around the pipe. All right, y'all. So look, bro. Turns out the nigga Duke got a exhaust leak, bro. It's a whole crack in this motherfucker. I'm not show y'all this shit, bro. I done pulled the ductwork off. Yo, I done pulled the ductwork off. This shit. Let me see. Got my jack stands this time. Yo, so look at that motherfucker, bro. I done pulled the little casings and shit off. And look what I see. A motherfucking crack. So I got my tape and shit and my exhaust clamp. About to put up there to patch it up for the time being, you know. Keep that rattle out this motherfucker. I done checked the other side, which is crazy because when I took it to the shop, they said it was the driver's side. The whole time it's the passenger side. That's why the dude was like, bro, if I do one, I need to do both. Nah, nigga, you knew exactly what you was doing. You looked at the driver's side, ain't even look at the passenger side, and made your assumption to try to get extra money up out of me, cause you knew it wasn't no driver's side. It was the passenger side all this time. That's why I tell y'all, man. Try to find your problems up with your car by yourself before you take it to a shop. The shop gonna try to get the most out of you they possibly can, bro. Because if I would have let them do the driver's side and the driver's side want the issue, like I said, he wanted to do the driver's side. He wasn't gonna do the driver's side by himself. He wanted to be able to do both sides. Nah, let me get another opinion. All it takes is a little time on your own to come out here and check it on your own, cuz. So yeah, let me get this done, and I'll show y'all the finishing touches. All right, the tape is on, but this shit don't take long. But that's the tape. Now I'm about to put the clamp around. It comes in a little package you can get from Van AutoZone, $15. But that's the tape. It's a double-sided tape. So that's supposed to do what it do. Keep that shit, the air from escaping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the clamp on, man. This shit don't take long. So yeah. That's that. All right, I'll be back. Daddy. All right, so that's what the clamp and the tape look like. So Daddy. I'm gonna crank the car up, see if I still get that same rattle. Daddy. See the deal. All right, so let's see. What's up? All right, y'all, so this is the driver's side. As you can see, it is some little spots up here that can be patched up. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The driver's side, the passenger side finished. That was only one spot on that side, but this side's a couple of little dings and shit from this old ass insulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and patch that up. I got the metal shit over there, the metal glue shit, patch in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right fast and be done. I'm gonna try to get this other plate off. For some reason, it's acting like I don't want to come off, but the other side came off fine. So let me try to get that off first, then I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right. All right, this is the driver's side. Let me see what part of it is. time for that. Alright, y'all, this gonna be a 2-in-1 video. Y'all seen me fix my exhaust leak. Now, somehow I got a fucking tear in my seat, bro. But luckily, your boy had the motherfucking backup car. I had bought that jank when I bought the car. So that jank been on deck for the whole time. So luckily that was already in the place. So I'm about to pull this seat out and change this bottom part. This right here was covered with the insurance, so I ain't got to do that. That had a hole in it right here. This had a cut right here, but the insurance paid for that. And like I said, I had bought that one just in case. So, it came in handy. I'm about to pull this seat up out this motherfucker though, bro. All right, so see y'all in the finish when I finish. All right, y'all. Now we got this shit up out of there. Got the seat up out of there. So, really easy for real. Real simple. Disconnect that. Unscrew the seat belt. Unscrew the 4 bolts. And you get this. Seat out. Take these off. Untake them off. Shoot, I'll do that all the way around. I'll hook these little hinges over here with the leather on it. And boom, boom, boom. Bap, bap. It's done. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put it back together. Put it back in. So y'all finishing touches. I'll be done with this video. Should I wrap it up in 2 videos? No, it's 1 video. I'm gonna put 1 video. Exhaust stand, driver's side, seat cushion replacement. So y'all be on the lookout. All right, I'll get back with y'all when I finish. All right, y'all. So this is what the seat cover look like when I put it in. Like I said, it is in. So ain't really much else to it. I had to wash it up a little bit because it was a little dirty. It still looks a little dirty because of work. So I'm gonna wash it up again. Yeah, that's gonna be that. I got my seat cover and stuff on the way, so that's gonna be covered up still. Like I said, I'm trying to eliminate a lot of this beige so it won't get dirty like as you see right now. So in the end, it'll be seat covers, new mats on the way. So appreciate y'all time. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And on to the next video.